Most smart scent diffusers are complete junk. They drop Wi-Fi constantly, leak oil on your furniture, or smell like chemical burning. I bought the top 5 smart diffusers on Amazon and tested them in my own home to see which ones actually keep your space smelling like a luxury hotel. Here is my honest breakdown.
Product number 1. Pura 4 Smart Fragrance Diffuser. When I held the Pura 4 in my hand, the matte white casing felt sleek, compact, and surprisingly solid for a wall plug device. It snaps right into your outlet without blocking the second plug, which I really appreciated. During my testing, the smart vial detection made setting up scent schedules on my phone effortless. I set it to fill my living room with citrus every morning, and the automatic intensity adjustment kept the fragrance consistent without overpowering my nose. Swapping between 2 different scent cartridges right from the mobile app kept my house smelling fresh all day. If you want a low-profile, set-it-and-forget-it diffuser with amazing app controls and premium brand fragrances, this one is worth every penny. If you prefer a standalone waterless cold air diffuser that covers massive square footage, check this out.
Product number 2. Aroma 360 Wireless Pro Smart Diffuser. Lifting the Aroma 360 Wireless Pro out of the box, the brushed metal cylinder felt heavy, cool to the touch, and looked like a piece of high-end home decor. Because it uses waterless cold air nebulizing technology, I didn't have to deal with messy water refills or gross mold buildup. Running it in my open-concept living area, the fragrance microdroplets spread evenly, making the entire floor smell like a 5-star resort within minutes. Connecting it via Bluetooth let me schedule exact operating hours so I didn't waste expensive essential oils while sleeping. My favorite part was how clean the scent throne felt, with 0 wet residue settling on my wooden countertops. If you have a large home and want high-end hotel fragrance without using water, this diffuser is a beast. Now, if you want a classic ultrasonic water diffuser that doubles as an ambient light, let's take a look at another top choice.
Product number 3. Sierra Modern Home Smart Ultrasonic Diffuser. Holding this Sierra Modern Home diffuser, the smooth, dark wood grain finish felt light and fit naturally on my nightstand. The top lid lifts off smoothly, exposing a generous 400 milliliter water tank that was super easy to fill under the tap. In my real-world testing, pairing it with Alexa took less than a minute. I could simply speak out loud to turn the mist on or change the LED light ring to a warm blue glow before bed. The ultrasonic mist ran continuously for over 12 hours on low mode, keeping my bedroom comfortably humidified while diffusing relaxing lavender oil throughout the night. If you want a versatile, budget-friendly smart diffuser that offers full smart home voice controls alongside ambient lighting, this model delivers incredible value. If you like that classic ultrasonic style but want a clean, minimalist white tower design instead, check this next option.
Product number 4. Asakuki 500 milliliter Smart Wi-Fi Essential Oil Diffuser. Grabbing the Asakuki Smart Diffuser, the large white base felt sturdy, with rubber feet that kept it locked onto my desk without sliding around while driving. The massive 500 milliliter reservoir meant I only had to fill it up twice a week during my workdays. Controlling mist output and setting customized timers through the smartphone app worked flawlessly, even when I turned it on remotely while driving back home. The strong mist output covered my entire home office easily, helping clear out stale air without making a loud humming sound in the background. Having that extra water capacity means zero hassle with frequent refills throughout your busy week. If you need a reliable, large-capacity smart diffuser for working long hours in a mid-sized office or master bedroom, this unit is hard to beat. Finally, if you want a waterless nebulizer with a portable, battery-powered build you can move anywhere, let's examine this last option. Product number 5. Hotel Collection Pro Smart Scent Diffuser. Unboxing the Hotel Collection Pro, the heavy metal housing and sleek aluminum finish gave it a premium, commercial-grade weight in my hands. Testing this in my entryway, the waterless scent distribution was instantaneous and incredibly rich.
The built-in app control allowed me to customize scent intensity levels down to the exact second, ensuring my home smelled amazing the moment I walked through the front door. The internal pump operates quietly, and since it breaks down pure essential oils into microscopic dry vapor, my hardwood floors stayed completely dry underneath the unit. The rich fragrance output makes an immediate impression on anyone stepping into your home. If you want luxury hotel-quality scenting in a sleek, powerful standalone unit, this smart diffuser is a top-tier choice.
That wraps up my hands-on testing of the best smart scent diffusers on Amazon. Whether you want a compact wall plug, a large waterless nebulizer, or a voice-controlled ultrasonic model, there is an option here for your home. Check the links in the description below for live pricing.